Good morning, Year 4, and welcome to your literacy lesson of the 13th of January 2021. So today you're going to be exploring time conjunctions and time adverbials. So this will be a little bit of a revision lesson. So your starter, I want you to choose between the exclamation mark, the question mark, and the full stop. I also want you to write whether it is a command, a statement, or an exclamation. So this is a great party. Are you coming to school today? The boy is 7 years old, so choose between exclamation, question mark, full stop, and state whether it is a statement, a command, a question, or an exclamation. Then as a challenge, I would like you to write your own sentences using an exclamation mark, a question mark, and a full stop. So today we are going to learn about conjunctions, and they join parts of a sentence together. Every single time you read the newspaper report, I want you to wiggle your finger every single time you come across a time conjunction or a time adverbial. So conjunctions are used to join ideas in a sentence. They are used to give more information, give reasons, or other ideas. They join the ideas together. They can be used at the beginning of a sentence. For example, when the dog had settled in his basket, he began to snore gently. Or they can be used in the middle of a sentence. The dog began to snore gently when he had settled in his basket. More examples of how they can be used can be seen below. And as you can see, the time conjunctions are in purple. What I would like you to do now is write your own sentence using the time conjunction before and after. Time adverbials are also used, and these are usually at the starts of sentences. They are fronted adverbials that tell us about time. So examples are a few hours later, late into the night, as the sun rose. These all tell us when something is happening. These are also sometimes included in newspaper reports. Can you spot any in our newspaper report? So with your partner, decide which time conjunction would go best in each of these sentences. So this is just a little activity for you to do with someone at home or somebody at school. So you can write these sentences out and add the correct time conjunction. Here are the answers. Now what I would like you to do is practice reading the text, use your actions to help you. Can you spot the time conjunctions or time adverbials, and remember to make a little action every single time you come across one of these. Remember, you can pause the video at any point if I'm moving too quickly through the slides and go back to anything that you've missed. So why do you think time conjunctions are a feature of newspaper reports? So newspaper reports are written in chronological order. So that means they are in time order. And therefore, time conjunctions make sure that the events are in time order and tells the reader how the event progressed. So what I would like you to do today, if you choose mild, what you are doing is filling in the missing time conjunction between after, when, and before. You are then finishing the sentences on question 2 with your own words. I would like you to write these out, please, not just the missing words. If you can think of any other conjunctions that would fit into the gap, you are welcome to write these too. Medium, choose the best time conjunction to go into each of these spaces. Use the word bank to help you. And question 2, write 3 sentences of your own using before, after, or when as time conjunctions. As a challenge, I would also like you to choose 3 other conjunctions from the word bank and write your own sentences. And hot, similar activity. So you fill in the missing gaps, and then you put the words in the correct order to make a sentence. And as a challenge, I would like you to write a sentence for each of the time conjunctions from the word bank, and then think of 2 others that are not included of your own. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed your literacy lesson today. This is the week, unfortunately, where we have to learn all about the grammar before we move on to writing next week. Enjoy the rest of your learning, and we will speak soon.